All right, we are ready for the second video from the Week 15 test. This is direct variation again. Remember, last time they did direct variation by showing you a graph and asking you to identify some information. This time we have simply this information, a couple sentences, and we have to figure it out from that. Before we jump into it, let's remember a couple of things. Ordered pairs are always done in the order x then y. So anytime you see an ordered pair like this 3, 6, that's in the order x, then y. When we want to find the slope, we have to first decide, is this a proportional relationship? Well, proportional relationships make straight lines, so that fits the first part, and the line passes through 0. And the origin, right here, the origin tells us that this passes through 0. If that's the case, then the slope for every proportional relationship is y divided by x. In this case, 6 divided by 3, which is 2. Now we're ready to start answering some questions. For A, true or false? Well, A is going to be false. The slope of the line is not 1/2. The slope of the line is 2. We proved that over with this section. So this information told us that the slope of our line was 2. The y-intercept of the line is 3. Well, that's also false. We know that the y-intercept is 0 because the line goes through the origin. Letter C, Jason ran 2 miles per day. Well, yes, that's true. And this tells us right here that it's true. So that's a true statement. And that's a unit rate. So write that in if you haven't already. We did that when we went over the test together. But this is a unit rate. So the slope in a proportional relationship is also the unit rate. It tells us how many units happen of y in 1 unit of x. So this would actually be the point. This 2 miles would be the point 1, 2. In 1 day, 2 miles. Finally, after 5 days, Jason ran 10 miles. That's also a true statement. And we know that if you take the number of miles and divide it by the number of days, you get 2 miles per day, which we already said was true on letter C. All right, so you're going to see this one more time. Remember, this is a concept 14.1b. So since it's a B concept, it'll cycle around one more time on the regular tests. So make sure you go over your test, you take a look at these notes, and if you have any questions, you bring them to class.